Hey, hi everyone. It's season 1, episode 1 of my very first YouTube channel. Yep, I know. So you're gonna have to bear with me. Sound quality isn't great, but eventually I will get a Rode mic. As a lot of the big people out there in photography and on YouTube and such, they always say the best camera you have is the one you have with you. And right now, this is all I own. But hopefully over time, we'll get more equipment and I'll do some product reviews. Hey, talking about product reviews. Today I've got my anamorphic lens that came in for my DJI Mavic 2 Pro. It's going to be awesome. Well, I hope so. Anyways, all the videos of it from Moment, who are the creators of the anamorphic lens for the Mavic 2 Pro. It was a Kickstarter program, and I jumped on that, and I can't wait to see what it's like. So right now, this will be just about the unboxing that came. It's snowing out right now, can't fly. And also, looking at the Moment lens tutorial on how to put it together. There's a little bit of complications to it, but I'm sure over time, using it, it'll just get much easier. It'll be quick to put on, quick to put off. And but I will be reviewing that as well. But today it's just about the unboxing. So like they do in 2020, subscribe to the channel and you'll be getting more content from me. So appreciate it, folks. Thanks for coming, and let's get to the unboxing. Yeah, I can't wait. Yeah. So this will be very interesting. Let's see how it comes in. All right, here we go. We're going to open it up, the package right now. I'm really excited about trying out this new anamorphic lens. So let's see what came in the package. What do we got here? Oh, look at that. We have a filter. And yes, I'm shooting on my phone because I don't have my camera set up. So hold on. We'll see what else is coming out. What do we got here? Well, it looks like we have the anamorphic lens case. Looks like it's in a really nice box. Ah, that's quite cool. ND filters, here we go. Would have been cool if they all came in one box in a way. Well, we'll have to figure that out, how we're going to carry this all in one shot. Maybe we'll be able to do it like this. Normally I have one case for my drone and all the ND filters are in there, but we'll see if there's room. I might have to make a new one. All right, now so that's just part of it, plus a camera case was part of it. And so here it is here. Now they wanted to know if I wanted an iPhone 11 case, and I don't have an iPhone 11, and I'm still not sold on it quite yet. So I asked for the iPhone 7, iPhone 8 case. I personally like to have dedicated equipment for my flights when I'm using my drone, and we'll see how this looks. So all right, so now to the unpackaging. All right, so this is the iPhone 7 case. I'm sure it'd be quite the same. I don't know how to get it out of the packaging. That's quite interesting. I have no idea what that is. I guess it's just, I don't know, it's pretty cool. I guess it's just for advertising in a way. They put this picture in here. Oh, that's pretty cool. We'll pop that out. I'm not sure who that person is, but who shot it, but yeah, it's a nice photo. Definitely. So it's just a case. I guess it's meant you can get the anamorphic, or the other Moment lenses, and even anamorphic lens for your phone, I believe they sell. But we'll see that one in the future. So back to the unpackaging. That's a cool little box. Get lost, follow your lens. That's pretty cool. That's good mono, or that's a good phrase. Well, let's get her open, see what happens. Oh, that's pretty cool. Has Moment on it. Oh, it's a not a it's a hinge case, which is kind of decent. What do we got going on here? Protective foam. Instructions. So that's pretty important, and I'll probably be doing instructions on putting it on the drone on my next one, and we'll see how it goes from there. Oh, what's on the other side here? Oh yeah, if you guys haven't seen Moment's YouTube video on when they first shot with the anamorphic lens when they were starting the Kickstarter program, it's pretty cool. If you get a chance, you should go check out Moment. So here we go. Here it is. Interesting. So this here, I believe, is the counterweight. Now this counterweight goes on the back end of the camera, which we will show you later. But for right now, we're just looking at it. It's pretty heavy. It's heavyweight. It's made out of metal, that's for sure. And yeah, all right. So that's that. And then of course the anamorphic lens. So that's a nice little lens protector case for it. Let's see if we can get it off. Oh, there's one on the front and one on the back. I did not know that. That's pretty cool. And so here we go. This is the anamorphic lens. I don't know if you can see anything. Oh, you can see the bit of the flaring from the sun through it. So if you're not sure what if you don't know what an anamorphic lens is, it really gives really cool cinematic shots. I believe like the 21:9 ratio, where you don't really have to set it up in your computer that way. You can. It also gives really cool flares. So when I get a chance, I will be putting it on my drone, and we'll go from there. Huh, that's pretty cool. Well, let's see what the what an ND filter looks like. I don't even know how to open it. Look at that. How the heck do you open this thing? That's not good. Well, that's not fun. All right, hold on. I'll be right back, folks. All right, so I figured out how to open it, which is kind of interesting. It's a screw top, and it's screwed on pretty good. That's why I had difficulty opening it. But let's see what happens. And now it's open. Oh, a little bit of foam. Protect the lens. That's pretty cool. So it'd be difficult in the outside when you're trying to put everything together on your drone to pop it out of here. But you know what? I guess over time we'd all get used to it. You have to take care. I'm sure you have to do quite a bit of planning ahead of time. It takes a while to get everything on the drone, especially the first time. And the drone has to be running. You have to go through the startup procedure, so everything gets calibrated, and then you put on the anamorphic lens. And what I hear is you have to recalibrate the gimbal once it's on. So that'll be on my next YouTube channel. Not my next channel. What the heck am I talking about? It'll be on my my next video. This is just a brief unboxing of the anamorphic lens from Moment. So that was the unboxing, and like I said, the next episode will be about putting it on the Mavic Pro. Or sorry, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. It wouldn't fit on the Mavic Pro. And I can't wait to shoot. I mean, it's going to be in, I think it's 21:9 aspect ratio, so you don't have to set that up on your computer. I can't wait to see what the lens flares are going to be like on it. So please come back, and I'll be doing tutorials on those as well. If I haven't said it, the channel is about videography and photography tutorials. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this this first episode, and I know I'll get better over time. So thanks for bearing with me. Anyways, have a good day, folks. Bye now.